I have to say, with litter robots I've tried before, there's always been a lot of installation, but this one came ready to use. All I had to do was add litter and a garbage bag. Inside was the litter catching mat and the power adapter. And the back tray stored everything else. So here's a quick look at everything it comes with. 2 garbage bags is awesome. This will last me forever. There's a push open button on the tray. When you're filling it up, you want to go right in between the min and max line. On the back of the box is the tray you're going to want to take out where you're going to put your garbage bag around. It's really important to make sure your garbage bag is flush with the back edge so that the scooper doesn't get caught on it. This magnetic closure is so satisfying. This features handles on both sides, making it easier to move around, and I love that it also has a clock on one side and then your control buttons on the other. At this point, you can go ahead and install the app so that you can keep all the tabs on your litter box use. Now you're all set, so let me show you what the box does every time it detects clumping after use. So I'm gonna press the clean button, which will activate the closing of the front door so that my cats cannot enter while it's being cleaned. Now the scoop sifter inside is sifting the litter that will then be dumped into the back tray. Just like that. It is very thorough and repeats this process twice.